What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs and millionaire minders? In this video, I want to show you guys how you can make $24,700 on Fiverr without doing the work yourself. Now, I know this sounds a little bit too good to be true, but I want to show you a secret program that you can actually use that will do all of the work for you. And about 99% of Fiverr sellers don't actually know about this. And I'm also going to show you just in a bit proof of people making this kind of income per month, so don't worry, I'm going to show you that. And like I said, this is going to be all about making 4 to 6 figures on Fiverr with no skills, experience, without doing any of the work. And I'm also going to show you how you can rank your Fiverr gig so that you can start easily getting sales with 1 or 2 Fiverr tricks that I use to rank my gigs that you can use as well. Just don't tell anybody. But enjoy the video, and I really hope that you get a lot of value. And just as a thank you for watching this video, and sorry for being quite quiet on this channel for the last week. I know I haven't posted for the last week, but I'm back with daily videos. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway in every single video. In this video, I'm going to give away a free Fiverr mastery course on the pinned comment down below. So all I would appreciate is leave a like on this video, subscribe down below with the bell on, so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. And also comment down below at you ready or your favorite quote or something like that. And then on the pinned comment, I'll leave a link to that Fiverr mastery course. But I quickly want to show you how we can actually make 2 streams of income from this. So this is the person over here that has made, I'll show you now how I calculated this, a minimum of $24,700 on Fiverr. So this person over here, his name is Quaweb or something like that. That's their username. And they have made, just to calculate, $50 per sale at 494 reviews. That means in order to leave a review, you need to have placed an order with this gig. So that means they've at least earned a minimum of $50 times 494, $24,700. Now, there's a stat that says only about 20 to 30% of people that place an order leave a review or leave a comment. So this means their revenue could be well over $24,700 with this, close to 6 figures. And all they're doing is they're ghostwriting for people. They're writing simple ebooks, simple ebook covers, writing 1,000-word ebooks. It's really not a lot of effort at all because, like I said, I'm going to show you a secret program that you can use that will do all of this work for you. And what these other people don't really know is they don't know about this tool. So a lot of people you can see here, for example, only 10 reviews, 19 reviews, 12 reviews. They're not getting a lot of orders. Even the top guys over here, 90 reviews, they're not getting a lot of orders compared to this person over here, simply because only 1% of people on Fiverr in this niche know about the simple trick. It's the same with ebook covers. Take a look at these people over here. Over 1K reviews. This means this person has made well over $10,000 with this gig. This person over here, well over $65,000 on this gig just making simple ebook covers. And the best part is this software makes ebook covers and writes ebooks for you that you can use for this. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you how we're going to get sales from day one with this. So this secret tool is quite secret and quite incredible as well. So I'm going to show you this to you right now. This is quite a new tool that not many people know about or are using at all, because most people are creating these covers manually or writing these ebooks manually, when there's this tool over here called Scribble.com that will write you and create amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing any words yourself. So you don't need to open up Microsoft Word or Google Documents and type a heading and then the paragraphs and each and every sentence. This tool does it for you. So they give you ebooks on demand, 50 hot templates, 300 style layouts, unlimited pages, and you can actually sell to clients as well. So not only you can make money off Fiverr, you can also make money through Scribble's e-commerce program as well, opening up double the amount of income. Easy to use, 15 niche categories, auto content writer, there's a commercial license, and you can get your own agency website. But make sure you keep watching because this tool is a paid tool over here, but I'm going to show you how you can get $40 off this $67 price over here just in a bit. So you can see what this ebook creator studio does is they create beautiful, simple little ebooks like this. You can see this is what a design or an ebook cover looks like. They give you easy to use, stunning designs, and it takes 60 seconds to just create an amazing ebook or report and white papers in minutes. It is really quick and really top quality, and it produces content instantly. So just to show you, if I scroll on some more, what I really like about this tool, you're not going to spend hundreds to $500 of dollars per design template from those stock websites that charge so much money. This is a once-off tool that you pay $27 for, and it designs you unlimited templates. So you don't need to pay for a template over and over again. And you're also not going to burn hundreds of dollars and hundreds of dollars hiring a freelance writer online, such as Fiverr. So what most people do is they come to Fiverr and rather order ebooks here, but not many people know about this tool at all. That's why I'm teaching you about this tool, so you can actually go and list your gig on Fiverr, make money on Fiverr, as well as Scribble.com. So it's like a double win for you. And take a look at this. If I scroll on some more, this is what some of the ebook covers look like. It is really top quality, and that is why you can easily rank, because they look at the quality of your work. And take a look at this. These beautiful ebook covers over here, Affiliate Bible, Internet Marketing Funnels Explained. It's real quality pictures put together. It's not these quick little pictures that you can see that was designed in paint or anything like that. This is a real eye-catching and grabbing design thumbnail across many different niches. If I scroll on some more, I want to explain to you how each and every step this works. So this is very important. Make sure to listen to this carefully. Step number one is you're going to pick a template from the screen like this. So you choose an ebook template like this. You choose from 50 of them, and each template comes with a table of contents, a professional page layout that converts readers into buyers. Step number two, you're going to add instant content. So if you don't have time to create content, just enter a URL and watch Scribble automatically fill your pages with fresh ready-made content. So I actually want to show you how we can add instant content. So all you can do is you can come over to this copyright-free article website called eZine Articles. Let's, for example, look for an article on how to rank on YouTube. Just a silly example. It could be anything. It could be how to feed a dog, how to walk a cat, or weird things like that. It could be any topic. So take a look at this. Let's choose this one over here. How to rank your YouTube videos on Google's first page. Let's click on this. All we do is you copy this link to this article, come back to your Scribble tool, paste this, and it will automatically fill your pages reworded with ready-made content. And what I like about eZine Articles, these articles are here for you to use as your own. There's no copyright issues with eZine Articles. Also, they can fill your ebook with a selection of 1,000 instant niche articles from their built-in content engine at the push of a single button. So you don't need to also go and search your own content. You can also use their built-in content engine. And then you can upload your own Word file, sit back, relax. Scribble does all the hard work for you, automatically extracts the content from the document and puts it straight into your new ebook. And if you're feeling creative, you can start from scratch and write your own copies as well. Step number 3 is you can customize it. So you choose a theme, any kind of colors, add or delete pages if you want to, images, headlines, paragraphs, or text. And then all you do is you hit generate and done. So in about 60 seconds, you've created an eye-grabbing, trust-building ebook that is ready to sell online or give away to build your list faster than ever before. Again, take a look at some of these templates. Look at this little cover over here with this ebook, really top quality, and that's why I really think this tool is a great investment to put into a strategy like this. And quickly before how we're going to do this on Fiverr, if I actually scroll down to the bottom, I want to show you something even more incredible. I just want to find it quickly here. This is what you get with this tool. So you get a free commercial license worth $497. So you can kickstart your digital agency, providing ebook creation and writing services to clients and make money through their e-commerce program. So the demand for ebook creating and publishing services are up 59% from last year. Chances of finding clients with this is absolutely huge. And the fact that you're getting this at the price of just $67, but make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you how you can get this for only $27, as I'm going to give you a little gift at the end of this video, so make sure to keep watching. So once you've got this tool, all you do is you scroll down to the bottom, you just click on get instant access now, you enter your information, and then the tool is now yours. So now that you have this tool, this is how we're going to go use this trick that I used to rank on Fiverr. First of all, you need to come over to the top of Fiverr. Over here, you just highlight over your username, you click on become a seller over here. And then all you do is you click over here, become a seller, and then it's going to take you to the page where we need to go and create our gig. So we just click on continue over here, continue over here, continue over here, enter your full name, and then from there it's going to ask you for your gig, the pictures, and what your services are about, and your pricing. All I suggest is come over to Scribble, use some of these pictures over here as your thumbnail on your gig. If I scroll up some more, I saw some good ones over here. So all you do is you can right click, open image in new tab, and you can use this as your image on Fiverr, as your thumbnail like this, to get a high click-through rate. And then what you want to do is, I would use influence from some of these top guys over here. So I would click on their gig, have a look at their profile and kind of replicate something like this. You can use pictures like this, again, off their website over here. And then what you want to do is to rank on your gig. You want to create about 3 or 4 more Fiverr accounts come to your gig just rated 5 stars. So over here, you can click on review. You can then leave a comment if you want to, and that will rank it up automatically in the Fiverr algorithm. And again, Fiverr works as an algorithm. So if you can get traffic from other platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok onto your gig onto Fiverr, Fiverr is going to bump you up because obviously you're getting them business. They're then going to give you business back in return. So it's a win-win. And then what you can do is, by really ranking your Fiverr gig with this amazing trick, is we can go to Instagram or Facebook and we want to go out there and find people and we want to say to them, we want to be honest. Hey guys, I've just created my ebook writing agency and I've just created my Fiverr gig, and your first ebook you get for free or even 50% off, just to get them to place an order with you, to rank your gig and to leave a review. That's all you want. You want to give away your first ebook for free, to leave a review from Fiverr, to eventually bump it up in the algorithm more. You can even take 50% off your original price if you want to. So then all you do is you can, for example, just go any niche. Let's say we chose the YouTube, we'll stick to that niche, the YouTube ranking example. So we can go look for SEO pages on Google. So let's go Fastlane Digital. This website over here is this page over here is all about websites, SEO, and ranking. So what we can go and do is we can go and reach out and message them, for example, hey there, I've just launched my ebook writing gig on ranking YouTube videos on the #1 page of Google. Here it is for free, just as your first order, completely for free. Here's the download link, and in the future, if you want 50% off, here's a coupon to my Fiverr gig, just to get them to place an order on your Fiverr gig and rate you 5 stars. So in the beginning, you want to give away for free to ultimately rank your gig, because you want to get people to leave reviews. Fiverr likes that. You're getting traffic, a lot of traffic onto your gig, which ultimately is going to rank you higher. You can do the same on Facebook groups. Come over to a whole bunch of Facebook groups. Let's choose this one over here. You want to join all of them. So you join all of them, go look at some of the comments, reply to some of the people on here on some of the videos, and you can say, hey guys, I've just launched my ebook writing business. As a launch, here's a free ebook. You can leave the download link. In the future, the coupon code to this ebook is 50% off on Fiverr. And you leave a link to your Fiverr gig with the coupon, and you want to get them to place an order by giving them a coupon. Then later on, they could place more orders, and as you rank up more and more on Fiverr, by doing that, naturally Fiverr is going to give you a lot of sales and a lot of traffic. Or what you can also go do is create your own Instagram page and build your own Instagram page with your Fiverr link in the bio, and you can repost content, viral content already on Instagram, and just credit people for that. Same thing with Facebook. You can go and create your own Facebook group, build an audience, and build a business online through content by monetizing that page with your Fiverr gig. That's another great way to make more money from this. And then if you're ready to scale your business even more, you can come over to a website called influencercart.com, where we can go and pay huge Instagram pages with, as you can see here, 432k followers, 160k followers, big pages, to shout our ebook out. So we can create a story for them and be like, hey guys, this guy has just created his new ebook writing and cover agency. As a first order, you get your first ebook for free, and then your next ebook you get a 50% off coupon. Here's the coupon. Go place an order, and you leave the link or the swipe up link on this page. You instruct them to swipe up to your Fiverr gig, and eventually that will get a lot of traffic to your Fiverr gig. And that's a great way to grow your Fiverr business as well, by telling them to leave reviews, positive reviews. You can talk to them in the live chat after they place an order. You can say to them, what do you think of my work? If you liked it, please rate it 5 stars and leave a positive comment. That all plays a big role in ranking on Fiverr. And you'll find as your Fiverr gig ranks more and more over time, you're going to get lots and lots of more sales, and this eventually can become your full-time thing, like some of these people over here that are making thousands and thousands of dollars. So for example, let's take a look at this person. Let's go $65 times 1,000. That's well over $65,000. This person has made over here just creating simple ebook covers. That's the potential of a business like this. But what I'm going to do is, on the screen above over here, I'm going to leave a link to a playlist that teaches you all about drop servicing on Fiverr without doing any of the hard work yourself. So you can go and sell high income skills and services at a huge markup, making $200 plus per sale without actually doing the hard work. It is very interesting. I really suggest going to learn how this works, because there's a great high income skill for you to learn, as I believe the best way to build a big business today is to learn high income skills, either execute that or teach that. So in this playlist over here, this teaches you all of that. I really suggest going to this playlist, clicking on it above, and I'll see you there.